Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the community of Bridgeland, which is actually located in Cypress, Texas. Now, this master plan community has something for everyone. The builder we're going to view today is Village Builders. Now, if you have not heard of Village Builders, don't worry. They are part of Lennar Homes. Now, the home we're going to see is called the Rockland. It is a four-bedroom, three-bath home, a little under 3,000 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the high 500,000. Now, the one thing that you should know about Bridgeland is that it is so large that it is actually zoned to three different school districts. Yes, I did say three. The three school districts are Cypher ISD, Waller ISD, and also Katy ISD. If you want your children to be zoned to a certain school, you'll want to find out exactly what school is zoned to your home before you sign that contract. Now, Village Builders is going to be in Waller ISD. The schools that your children will be zoned to is Roberts Rose Elementary, Waller Junior High, and Waller High School. So we're going to take a quick tour of this home, but let me introduce myself in case you don't know who I am. My name is Linda Blue. I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos.